How to stop a role from view channels on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video will show you how to stop a role from view channels on your Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then go to your server. This is my server, and then click this one, and now you need to click settings, and now click roles, and select the role you want. And now all you need to do is just find this one and turn it off, and if you want you can turn it on again. Just click on it, and that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.